Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change the user on Dropbox for your computer. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to go to the panel of your computer on the bottom right, and then from here, access Dropbox. We're gonna see a small drop-down menu, and then we're gonna click here on the top right, and then go to Preferences. We are given many options from here, but we will go to Accounts. We can either sign out or sign in a new account, or we can add a new account that would be used as a new user for our Dropbox. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!